Are you stressed out? Well, it's not only your body that pays the price, but also your appearance and your skin. It's not secret that stress is one of the main factors in our life that causes physical illnesses and poor well-being and state overall. But because it's such a common thing in our life, we tend to forget how much it affects and how many things it affects, and we can let it consume us and just like say, okay, it's a part of life, but without understanding what it is and why it is and the effect of that, we can just go down the hill with that, and we actually can control it and can balance and stable ourselves and avoid some stressors in our life. Because to briefly summarize this fight or flight response in our body, what happens during stress, your body releases adrenaline to the bloodstream, and then cortisol releases. Cortisol is the stress hormone. It breaks down sugar in your blood, and then you have a higher blood sugar. This response is a survival response of the body. Every small stressor in our life causes this thing to go bigger and bigger. And just to list a few of the common daily stressors, it can be the blue light from your phone, noise pollution, rushing and running and rushing and running all the time, family, sometimes people, opinions if you take them too much to your heart, social media, and notification on your phone. I mean, this non-stopping thing is very stressing. Too much caffeine or alcohol, and of course your stories in your mind and your perceptions and your beliefs, and the list go on and on. It's easy, can be very easy to pick up on little things and make them maybe bigger than they are during the day, because there's like countless of things that if you put your attention on them can just, suck you in. Whether it's conscious or subconscious, it's like, it really, can affect you. And how does it affect your skin? Because your skin and your face are reflecting what's going on inside of you. Every time your stress increased in a long period of time, your body responded by increasing also testosterone production. This is your body way of reducing internal physiological stress. So let me break it down to you. You react to stress. Cortisol, stress hormone, increases. Your body reacts to this by increasing testosterone, because testosterone inhibits the stress response. Now, ideally, you shouldn't have a high level of testosterone. Your body doesn't need it. When it's in balance and in order, your hormones are balanced, and your body has the level that it needs to function, and it knows what it needs to do. But when you are consistently in a state of reaction and fight or flight and this stress state, your body does everything it can to return back to normal, to balance. And when it's reacting to overproduction of hormones like testosterone, it's what causes your skin to break out. So you react to stress, increase cortisol, your body wants to defend you and protect you, and increase testosterone, boom, breakouts. Your face is like a map to what's going on inside of you. And when I do a facial, for example, on your face, I can see clearly like where you hold on things, or what can help you maybe, or where a breakout in certain area connected to issues in your body or in your emotions. Like most a lot of guru will say, reduce your stress, meditate more, do yoga, exercise, to compensate anything that reduces your stress. Well, it's all great, but we really have to be first aware and conscious to our subconscious stress, to pay attention and really eliminate these little things that we take for granted every day. Like I said, the phone, the notification on the phone, because a meditation is amazing tool, amazing, and it surely does reduces stress, but we have to come to meditation as well with some kind of intention and knowing what we are going towards. And on our waking daily life, we really want to be aware of these stressors and reduce them, and not just going to meditation, relax, and come out of the meditation and just go down the road and scream on everybody. So it's this subconscious and conscious way of being. So yes, we can also do physical things like getting in a relaxing, amazing treatment and letting someone take care of us. Of course, it's reducing the stress and bring us to a stable point of being. But you also need to know how to regulate yourself. I say learn how to regulate your nervous system so that you're no longer in a reactive state. Change the way you react to stress, and you change your entire game of life, game of being. So it's not only with the outside things, but it's you. You have the tools, you know how to regulate, you know how to reduce the stress in your life, and your skin will thank you. I promise you. When you are in good and balanced state, you're glowing and you're beautiful. Now, if you need help in this journey, because I know it's easy to say than done. It can be so easy, and I don't want to say it as an imitation, but it can be so easy to give up to stress. So if you need help with that, if you want to really create this change in your life, roll yourself into the Mind and Body program. You will get insane result very fast. You walk away with the tools you need to really change the quality of your life, because nobody deserves to live in fight or flight. This is survival mode. It's not what we came here for. So you can either schedule your free call with me if you like. You can just dig in and read and listen about the program, all in the links, and relax, because you deserve it.